Hello. So this one, yesterday I was do some cutting because they look like this up front too. So I have to take this out, one of this ferro board, and then cut off the middle one to make look like this for my dome. So I just let this stay first here. I haven't do anything yet in there. So let's see. I'm designing it right now. Let's see how it's gonna look like. So I put bed in here. He got a baby bed that he didn't use. So I might just use it here and wrap it with a blanket. So we'll see. We're gonna do some design here for him. As you can see, I just started it. See, I just started it. I will just finishing it up.
Wake up to the goodness of Jimmy Dean.
Get ready to set them up with everything they need. Everything. Got this.
HomeAdvisor and Angie's List are now Angie, and it's easier than ever to get your projects done right.
When you buy some like a dough bed, it's quite pricey. So I was thinking like, why don't do some searching and I can do it on my own. So I come up with this. I was so glad when I was working. There's a woman returning this
Ever since I got this little guy,
bags or bin, whatsoever you call this.
I got my paws on the surface.
And I was like, oh, this is
Heavy-duty dry cloths pick up a crazy amount of air.
it's in paper for me. I'm gonna buy it right away.
I made progress with my mental health. So when I started having unintentional body movements called tardive dyskinesia,
I have a good deal too. It was $19.99 because it's a return day market down.
It's not okay. It was time to talk
For
to my
$10.
doctor about Austedo. She said that Austedo helps reduce TD movements in adults, while I continued with most of my mental health medications.
Austedo can cause depression, suicidal thoughts, or actions in patients with Huntington's disease. Pay close attention to.
Here it is. Here it is. This is the finished product of what I did. So I dry up already. I put in the sun. I put some colorful because he is a boy anyway. So he's Toopy. My Toopy. Like, come here. I'll show them. Let's see them. This is my Toopy. My cutie pie. He get like 2 doses of vaccine yesterday, but he vomit after that, so he get 4, and then after that the doctor call us up again, and he get another blood draw. Poor boy. I know, my sweet boy. Come and try it. Show them how you try it. So this is how he try it. Excuse me, I'm in a table, but I clean up anyway. And he is clean. He's always clean. Because I'm so maarty. So as you know me, I'm so maarty. He's clean. Say hi everybody. Okay. So, yeah, he actually has a bed, a crate on that side. But I was decided to make like this so he can be able to sit down or lay down while he is in the living room. Shoes while I don't like him in the carpet. See, this is the finished product. This is what I did. As you see. So he has a baby bed that he didn't use it. So I put it inside. I wrap it with a blanket. So here you go. This is our Tupi bed. So come here. We'll show people. Show people how you do it. No, bite. So we're gonna put your, come on. So I'll show people how we do it. So alright, I'll show you guys how we do it. Come on. So here so he can see. This is our living room. So he can just sit down and lay down. He need to get used to it. So that's his baby elephant and the quack quack and the baby dog. He couldn't sleep without them. See, mama? No. See how cute it is. So you get crate over here. I usually like put his bed here, and this is the blanket that he like it. He used to it with this bed, and this is our towel that he really like it to, I put